3, 2, 1.
I just got my water on. I keep like a water there just for the shit of it. I'll put some moisture in there. Humidity. It's blazing pretty good. It's pretty nice in here. Pretty cold out. Pretty damn nice in here. Pretty sure I showed you guys a jack. Yeah, I did. This is something I like to use.
Self-destruct sequence activated.
It's a Harbor Freight special, but it works good. I got a year warranty on it too. Those are like magnetic. Then you got a 1/2-inch quarter, 3/8. It's right around 50 torque, 45 torque, somewhere in there. About 50 torque, 45, 50 torque. It took off the transmission big bolt, which is like a, what is it, a 19? For sure it's a 19. It took it right off. My brother was using it to do everything with as well, so he's over today. He helped me out some. We got that there and that there. Tranny swap maybe? Engine maybe swapped out?
Bruh.
All the parts. Gonna get ready to do something tomorrow. This ought to be pretty interesting tomorrow. Got that container, put all the nitrous stuff in. Clutch is pretty well fucked from the jump. 200 miles jump. XTD. I tried to use some cheap clutches just to experiment with these cars. Junk as shit. The ACK was the best one I ever had. For the push-pull type, the ACK definitely was the best. But they make better. It's called Bully. Or you can get a spec that holds upwards of 500 horsepower. So yeah. Now to get this new transmission up in here, this bitch is in here stuck. Look at that.
Bruh.
Anyway, you can move the fork. So we got it all. Soaking overnight. That's gonna soak overnight. Maybe a stock bottom end engine now. What the fuck is this monster? What the fuck? Like and subscribe and find out what's coming up next.